Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kinong hikai bat khana school jong ka St Paul's High Secondary School nongpo daga jingsngo sarong mendak sngi ke Pdiang Burom ya ka samla Nelly Mary Khemdet kabla yo ya Kyrdan ka baar ha ka top 10 jong ka result High Secondary School Living Certificate jong ka Line Arts kabla pen bena daga Meghalaya Board of School Education ka samla Nelly Mary Khemdet la yo ya ka Kyrdan dak ba yo khur hadu South Pa san phoi ma but your distinction ru ki santali ki subject bagan thop ka English khasi sociology home science but political science ka samla Nelly Mary Khemdet kede ka khun bakhat du jong ka kong Sabina Khemdet baruba Dominic Ral Dakhar bam kwai hadwa ruble napdeng ki khalwei ngut ki shipara bat kidei ki basyong basa hagashnong Saidan Ribhoi district haba yo pat banekran bat ka samla Nelly Mary Khemdet kalapun paw ki jing aingu ningkong ni ublei uba yet bat kerkhu bakan yo ka result ka bakam shimla paper khat satya bakan yo ka Kyrdan ka baar ha ka top 10 watlada ka don ya ka thong ban poi ha ni ka thup kale thu baningkong kam da shim khya bhai ke jing pule handre anda ha bakai I ke jing angnut ba ke jing thrang jong ki bahai hasam bat na ka school ru kumju kala penlong ya ka ban puson bat perkhat balada kamla ban le bha kan pen sngosi ya ki kme ki pa bat kumju e kino hikai kumju ru kan pen sngosi e ki bahai yang bat ha school ru kumju bat dei hang ta bakala sedang ban penut bo ni kapor ban pule minat hakikot kisla Nakaliang ka principal ka St Paul's High Secondary School ka sister Angelina CH Marang kalapan pao ka jing snokman ka bakraw hor ka jingla jong ka samla Nelly Mary Khemdet banyo ya ka Kyrdan ka balong ka Burom ka bakraw ya ka school bat ka than hi baro ka wei
Okay, top place in the state is not easy, but I could see the hard work, dedication, perseverance, persistence in our duty as students made our school proud. We are proud of you, Nelly. The school will always remember you for your great achievement, outstanding in academic results. So St. Paul's family will once again congratulate you and bless you with many more success and happiness in life. May your dreams, whatever you have, be always that of happiness, that of success, that of bringing glory to your family, to yourself, and to the school where you study. May we continue to pray that your future will be always bright. Right from the time when Hsslc got the 10th position in the top 10 list, we have already thought that we already have a dream, we already have aims, and we hope that many students from Ribhoi area will look at them as an inspiration, that they are also from poor family. I'm talking about Hsslc, remembering him again, we cannot forget him. And he worked hard, he really worked hard. He cannot comprehend well in English, but then he worked very hard, and whenever he had doubts, he used to seek for clarification from all the teachers. And Nelly Khemdet also is one of the students. Yes, she always has the support of the family members. We have Sir Bonnie here, who is the ex-teacher of St. Paul's. Congratulations, sir. Please stand here again. Now, coming from a family who always supported her, and yes, Nelly herself has shown dedication, hard work, consistency, of course. During exams, whenever she has a doubt, she will always consult to all the teachers, not only to me as a class teacher, but to all the subject teachers. And congratulations to all the teachers also.
Ningkong shop ako aban ay kublay try kan ran ubala iet bet lakar khu yang hadu kat ne hakajing shisha ngarok ngam klam kmi lenti baka result jong akan bah hadu kat ne nga expect bangan don ha top 10 hendai nga kum expect bangan poi ha second rank te ha ka por banga krekon ningkong ngam da shim serious mo hadu kata ngam da don kata ka jing thrang ba ong ba ngan pen yo bet hadu top 2 ne top 1 nga ong yela de banga de bandon ha top 10 hendai ngam da don te kata ka jing thrang ban ong ba hadu banda poi ha ka ne ka Kyrdan hadien ka tu ngalapet binya bat ngalapet ba ba kumno hayeng bat school ro kumju kida thrang hadu kata bangan dawan ra kata ka result ka ba Kyrdan kata ka jing kemi lenti ka bakam shi jrong nanga te kumta ngala perkhat ba ngala puson ba lada ngam le ba kalong ka e ka ban pensungsi hayeng bat school ro kumju te kumta kat dang jan ki singa sedang ban pule kot ba no bat ngam da penlut kaya ka por hang ni hang tai tang shulalat ka por khandiat ngalaya le ban penlut be ha ka kon te kumta ka e ka kubor ka banga ko ban ai shkiwe kalong ningkom ning shap e phiri ban bu e ka thong lada pidon ka thong phila ben hadien kata rengkat bat ka thong ka jing trash tom ro ka de ban don lada pi trash tom klampa phila ban khet yo so ubabha ubabang te hadien kata ka consistency ka ba phile ka jo shi ka jo man ka sngi phi dei ban le ka khandiat mong man chisen pule ne last moment pin bam chisen bam andre khandiat man ka sngi lada phi pule phila ben wala phim dei khna e ba biang hadu kata ban ong inong kumno ladi makana average students ru haba phi don ka thong ka jing thrang ka jing trash tom but man ka sngi to penlut e ka por jong phi ka kot phin la be liang jo ki sports Hendai nga jushim benta ki science exhibition ki kanja essay writing letter writing kung gitu ki jai competition nga shim kaya rap shibuan namar kum bangala ong happy menta banga jushim benta ki science exhibition kade house nam arajar pu ar banga shim ka science exhibition but la job ro ngila poi state level nang tung ngila poi national level habangi poi shite shi Gujarat kadang kata ka nile kata ka national level te habangi poi shite nga sedang ban observe ki wiki khana ha state la de Hoy nga observe ki don kat to kat ne ki batrang shisha ya kata ka jing start ki trang shisha ya ka e ka ba ki kwa bi ben pen urlong te kum tang ala pet bahaya ki khana shabar ki long ki ba minot ba da compare bat ngi hang ne ngi ngim pat long e ngi la de ngi lakam bangi minot hande da compare bat ki shite ngi ngim pat long e te ngala pet ya ki ngala ya keren bat ki te kum ta ki ru ki la ai advice nga ki ong ngi shande ngi long bet kum ne habangi kwa ya ke e wat mut bangin perlut ya ka por jungi ha e ngikwa bangin yo kata ngiya kata bet ni concentrate te kumta kiro yang amo ki ong ba piro ngai i pidon hi kata kasap te kumta la da pikwa ban yo khet yo so obabang ubathiang pidei ban le shitom ben pidon ni ka potential te kumta ki turu ki la encourage nga rengkat bat ki parlo class jonga barabor ki baju don bat nga kilo ong yang balada pi pule bha pila bi bandon ha top 10 kumta ngaru ngalas mudon ba kata ka mensim ngasung shingan ka mensim balada ngan le bha ngaru andon be ha top 10 kumta ngala shuminot bet tang ha ka kot but kumta meneka result ba bha ngala yo kumta te nga perkhat ben continue bachelor te hadin bachelor ngan pendep bet masters but PhD kajing trang jonga ka di bangan long professor and lecturer ha kanu ka college ngam kwa ban hikai kum tang kum high school level hoy kajing sedang kan debit na ka school te handai kajing kwa jonga ka long bangan long settle bet kum i professor ha ki college ngam kwa ban hikai college te akaliang jonga subject ngam pat thikna hadu ka tamo namar ngadon arti ki subject ki bangas tenan kawe ka di ka English ngala ban le ha ki English literature la ne ka education
men ngasmo dap da kamesim ka ngasmo dap da kamesim ka komen hadu kata kata ka ba ngaya lede menem step ha bang page result ngam sola mudur shu bangam sola ngit shu ilagi jong ki khamat ngala page arsian laisen ka result nga check ba ngasem ba ka don sisa ka kerteng ha ka top 2 te hadien katu kan pon ndang lala Pdiang ya kata ka jing sisa phone bang pentep bar ha bang yasmo ba i para ineli ila ayam da ka jing kemen ngala sngo kta song melung ila de ro bat kanik pan perkhat kenya nga namar ba ngaru ngade wini kino hikai bat ngajo hikai abun snem na nina simple so din hikai barem bat mata hikai maurong government apo primary te ngaju ong baro ki khana ba to don ka jing thrang balada pidon ka jing thrang to bu rangkat ba ka jing kongu namar ba kum bang ngajo ai nuksai ki baro lada pikwa ban poi clear ngi kino hikai nginyele ban khinyet yele ban kersan ya ki na try tambalada ki kim tre ban kiu dalade te kamut kalong leno e yangi hendrei lada ngiru ngin kersan in khinyet ya ki sejong man poi sakata sakliar te kiru lada ki yele kat bala on poi sakliar kram pep kin poi be sakathong te kumta kalong ka jing kentu moye ki we de ki kana school te marbi ne ri para ka kadu jongan ne sakmangan nomdon suhi kiwai parag ni ko ni board exams ti ya ki khna ki nang ki bandang ya ko ni ka board exams to bu kan ya ka thong to bu kan ya ka jing thrang ko ngu kan ya ki nong hikai ba kum juri mi ki kpai ki bahal lor la da ki ai kanu kanu tin sneng kana ma pindu yo ayo so Pdiang ha kijing
Very grateful to God for the gift of good results. Out of 183, we are privileged to have one person who is shining like a star to the school. Her performance, outstanding performance, is really admirable. We thank Nelly Mary Kumdek for bringing good result to the school. She is upright, and we really, from the start onwards, I encourage, motivate, and she really kept up her promise that she will do well. She was not able to get top list in Hsslc exam, but her hard work, persistence, dedication to the efforts that she made our school proud and herself. Looking at her, I really admire the way that she used to move around in the school. She never skipped from the school unless and until some necessary holidays or for her personal needs or sickness. Otherwise, she never skipped from the school. And even in the performance, other activities also, she was very smart, active, and I who used to inquire from the teachers how is the performance of Nelly. Teachers will always say, "Oh, she's doing best. She's doing her best." So I really admire her approach to the teachers whenever she needed, and she really brought glory, pride to the school. I congratulate the family, the supportive staff, and all my uh, and all her classmates. She not only the teachers, but it is her effort make the school proud. And congratulations, wish her the best.
Any offer from her?
As of
Support.
now, offering for the support, it is a school management will see to the needs. We have got fathers and school management. If she requires, we are able to help, and we will certainly will support her if it is required.